The recent bad economy has been called the worst since the 1930s, and Uncle Sam is stepping up to help taxpayers with a break or two this season. 2008 produced a bumper crop of changes to the tax law, the vast majority of which will lower your tax bill. For example, the $7,500 first-time homebuyer's tax credit. It's called a credit, but it's actually more like a 15-year interest-free loan. Also of interest to homeowners, a new $500 to $1,000 deduction for property taxes, available even if you don't itemize. The deduction for sales taxes was scheduled to be gone this year, but Congress brought it back in the bailout bill. Ditto for the college tuition and fees deduction. It's easier to qualify for the child care credit for '08, and limits were raised for the earned income credit, too. Midwest flood victims and those who house them are also getting some tax relief. And the mileage allowance also went up to 50 cents a mile for the first half of last year and nearly 60 cents for the last half. The IRS has also said they'll be more willing to work with taxpayers who can't pay. There's no specific policy, but the commissioner has said he's instructed his staff to be more sensitive. You need to file a return, but if you can't pay due to hardship, expect a little more flexibility. Bottom line, if there's a silver lining to a crummy economy, well, this is it. You've got lower taxes for 2008. You've got no tax increases, probably at least, for 2009. It's all good news. Well, at least as long as you've got a paycheck coming in. For Money Talks, I'm Stacy Johnson.